Hey guys, Programmer Senpai is here, and in this video we'll be creating a basic calculator. Let's just put a label on the top of the form and we'll name it basic calculator. And we'll be changing the font and its color. Okay, red is too much, so yeah, blue is alright. Now we'll be creating a text field, and my friends, in the last video I told you the variable name is something by which we can access any component on the form. So we changed the complex variable names into simpler ones like t1 and t2 etc. for text fields. So here's a trick by which we can change the variable name of multiple components easily. So just change variable name of a single text field to t1 and then copy the same text field and paste it on the form. Now if you see the variable name of second text field, it is automatically named t2. So we have created two text fields, and now first text field will be for first number and second text field will be for second number. And now we'll create different buttons for different operations. So first button will be to add the two numbers, and similarly second button will be to subtract. So the subtract button will subtract second number from the first number. The third button is to divide, and it will divide first number by second number. And the last button remaining is the multiply one. To get the result we need another text field, so we'll create a third text field. As you can see, its variable name is, and now we'll be coding in the buttons. So first we'll put the code in add button. So here comes another different part. As you know in the last videos, and if you haven't seen, please check them out, will build your basic skills on NetBeans. So in last videos we used only string variables. So string variable is a variable which stores string value, which means like alphabets, and not only alphabets, but we cannot operate with those variables. So in this video we'll be using different type of variables which can be used for numbers, and they include integers. For this program we'll use double. To initiate double we need to use a method called parse method. This is how we use parse method. And now we'll create a third variable named c, and c is equals to a plus b. The number we'll be getting from text field 1 and text field 2 will be added, and the value will be transferred in the variable c. So let's check, and as you can see, the when we run the program and click the add button, the addition of two numbers is displayed on the third text field. And similarly we'll create different codes for the other three buttons, and we'll run the code after we have done all the buttons. So we are done with coding in all the buttons, and let's just run the program and check it out. So as you can see, we got the desired result in the third text field, and similarly we get the results from other buttons too. So try making on your own and hope you enjoyed it. You can ask any questions related to NetBeans in the comments down below and suggest as well. Please subscribe for more videos like this.